In this video, I will show you step by step on how to buy from many suppliers using 1688 shopping app and import from China without using agents. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this.
Welcome back, friends. So the first thing we need to do is to head over to our 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to access my 1688 shopping app. Now, having opened up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you add the item to cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, you can check the video on my channel and see how to add an item to cart step-by-step tutorial. After you have successfully add an item to cart, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to visit your cart. Then at this point here, these are all the items I'm going to purchase straight up right now on 1688. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to select all the items. Alright, so these are all the items I'm going to purchase right away on 1688. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then you can scroll down right now and see all the items preview. Once you are satisfied with everything, next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then I'm paying the sum of 291.50 yuan to purchase all these items. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. And I click on here to confirm my payment and enter my payment password. So right here you can see payment done successful. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. For me to access my profile, I need to click on here to proceed to my profile. Then by the time I refresh my profile, all the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see the item we just purchased successful right here. So this is how to buy from many suppliers on 1688 step-by-step tutorial and import from China to whatever country of your choice. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about importation business from China or some other country, you will be notified. And lastly but not least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.